Okay, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Ain. So today I'm going to present what I did to the dataset, organic dataset by using RapidMiner. Okay, so first I import the data, the organic dataset into RapidMiner, and then I retrieve the organic dataset. So here is the dataset. So as we can see, there is 3 of observations, and then there is 17 variables: customer ID, gender, DOB, e-date, age group 1, age group 2, TV register, and group, neighborhood, LC date, L time, bill, region, class, origin, and AFFL. So by looking at the description of the data set, I am going to build the description of the data set. So I am going to reject the DOB, date, and LC date data set. And then, okay, then we proceed to the next in RapidMiner. Okay, and then I'm using the operator seller attribute operators. So this for I change the attribute filter type into a subset. So click at the select attribute, I select the attributes or variables that I want to use in this uh, project, in this lab assessment requirements. So we exclude three. We rejected three variables, which is the OBED and LCD, and then we select. Other than that, we are going to use it for this assessment, and then we click apply. And then we move to the replace missing values numerical. So it's also a subset of numerical variables, which is AFFL, age, and L time. So if we see at the before we remove the missing values, there is 1,508 missing values in age variables, 281 missing value in LC date and L time. No, no. One, uh, 281 in L time and 1,085 in AFFL. So we use the operator replace missing values for numerical. So we select attribute, okay, and then we apply, and then we choose uh, what value to replace the missing value, which is average, since this is numerical. And then we just click run, and all of the missing value will be gone from the data set. And then we move to the next operator, which is redeem. I'm using redeem operators to redeem the variables customer ID. So as we can see here, before the customer ID variable name is quite weird, quite different from the requirement. So this is the name the before which we rename the variable name, and then we use the rename operator, and then we click edit list from this variable name, which we change to the customer ID, and then we click apply. Next operator is replace. So replace, we use a replace operator for gender variable. So as we can see here, the data, there is some observation with dollar sign down, dollar sign. So I am going to replace all of this observation with dollar down, dollar, and we make it as blank. Okay, replace one and then replace as blank. so that the rapid mind so that it will become basic values. After we replace all of the dollar down dollar to basic values, so we are going to use the replace basic values for categorical, which is for gender, and then by default value, I'm using value, and then the replenishment value I choose F because what? Because why F? Since F is the most is the most in the gender variable. Female is more than male. Okay. And then all of the values will be replaced. All of the receive replaced by F. Next operator is numerical to binomial. So for the this is I use this operator for the origin variable. Since before we change the variable type, origin is integer. So I want to change it to binomial. Next operator is set row. So set row origin, the target row is label, customer ID is ID. Okay, and then we click apply, and then we split data. Split data, I choose 0.7, 70, 30%. Okay, 70 for trade, 30% for test. Okay. The next method is decision tree. So decision tree, I choose grade ratio. And then I not changing the other thing. I just left by default. And then we proceed to the applied model. Okay, applied model operator, and lastly the performance operator. So the performance operator, I choosing accuracy, precision, recall, sensitivity, and specificity. Okay, and then we move to the result. So this is the result. I click run here for all of the operators to run. So this is the result for the applied model. So as we can see here, customer ID will label as ID, origin as label. So this is the prediction, the confidence, false, sorry, and then the confidence, okay, confidence true. So we move to the performance. So the accuracy is 79.30%. The precision is 63.20. Recall is 39.41. Sensitivity 39.41. And specificity is 92.44. So this is the data set after we use all of the operators. This one, customer ID, label as ID, origin label. All of the basic value are gone after we replace the basic values. Okay, so this is how I did my assessment. This assessment in Rapid Binder.